Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. This is actually the makeup tutorial that I had on one of my Shein hauls. So I wanted to recreate it because I think it's so pretty. Like, yes, I think it's so cute and like so easy to do. I added a little rhinestone at the bottom, as you guys can see, and I really love this look. It's so pretty. So I think I'm gonna transition into making this look my my everyday makeup look, because I think it's really pretty and like it's pretty. I mean, it is natural. I just have really big lashes, which makes it a little dramatic, but it's actually pretty natural. Also, I'm doing this video kind of like vlog style, just because I was sitting down for like an hour and a half doing my makeup, so I just want to be standing up. So yeah, I'm sorry about this shaky video, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing a speed through voiceover type of video, just because I really concentrate on doing my makeup, and if I talk too much, then it's just gonna make the video too long and it's just gonna be boring. So I thought I would do a speed through and a voiceover for this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before you guys go, or well, I hope you guys don't leave this video. What I mean is, like, before you we watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias, and now we can start with the video. First things first, I'm gonna be using the Carmex chapstick. Next, I use the E.L.F pomade in medium brown, and to carve them out, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in light medium beige. And for primer, I use the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. For foundation, I use my holy grail, you guys already know, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Beauty sponge that I'm using is actually from AliExpress. I'll link it down below. It's really good. And it was really cheap. For concealer, I'm using the E.L.F 24-hour camo concealer. I think I got it in a wrong shade, because I think it looks a little dark on me, but I still use it because I love the coverage, but I got it in the wrong shade. Next, to set my foundation and my concealer and all of that, I don't really use like a powder. What I use is this Wet n Wild like duo powder contour type of thing. This one is in dulce de leche. Excuse the packaging, you guys can tell that it's really loved and I love it so much. So I feel like the light shade, it's perfect as a powder, so I use that to set everything. And of course I use the bronzer because it's gorgeous. So this is what I use. I love it. Excuse the packaging. Now I'm taking the Hola Chola palette, eyeshadow palette by Colourpop and Becky G. This one is the perfect neutral eyeshadow palette. Every single shade is neutral. Every single eyeshadow is matte. You need this palette. Super affordable. I want to say it was like $12 or $15. So good. Like this, if you travel, this is the only palette that you need. Like, you need it. Now what I'm doing is that I'm adding the color Lil B, and then I'm gonna add Chola to my crease. But as you guys can see, I'm not taking the eyeshadow all the way to the outer V. I'm just taking it to like half of my crease. I don't know if you guys know. I don't know. I'm not good at explaining things, so I hope you guys can tell what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm taking that Chola shade that I was talking about. I'm just gonna add it to the crease to darken up the crease. Now just taking a clean fluffy brush just to make sure that the two shades blend really nicely with each other. After I added those shades to my crease, I'm taking some of that E.L.F concealer. I'm just gonna curve out my lid To set the concealer, I'm taking the shade Little Smiley. Then I'm going back with the brush that I use to apply the crease shades, and I'm gonna try to make that harsh line of the concealer disappear. Like, I want like a nice blend between all the shades, so it's like it all flows together. Here what I did is that I cut in half one of those like eyeshadow, what are they called? And I don't even know, it's the ones that you put under your eyes to catch all the fallout. So I cut one in half to, of course, use them for both eyes. And I'm taking just a little small brush, like a detail type of brush, and I'm taking the little beige shade, the Chola, and the black shade, and I'm just gonna be doing like a smoky liner. After I apply my eyelashes, I'm taking those three same shades that I use on the crease, and I'm just gonna be doing my lash line, my bottom lash line. And then I'm taking this like rhinestones that I got off of Wish, and I'm just gonna take some eyelash glue. I'm gonna put a little dot under my eyes, and then I'm just gonna glue those rhinestones. Why? I don't know, I just thought they would look cute. Going back into that contour duo, I'm taking the bronzer shade and just gonna be bronzing my face. Then taking the Milani Big Blush in Luminoso, I'm just gonna be applying some blush. And to finish this look, I'm taking the Becky G X Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Muñeca, and I was gonna use the lip gloss, but at the end I didn't use it. Lastly, just doing some setting spray, and we're all done. So yeah guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So before you guys go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.